Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a yummy burrito. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for a delicious meal. You'll need large, soft flour tortillas, ideally around 10 inches. Next, pick your protein. Seasoned ground beef, tender shredded chicken, or black beans work wonderfully. Don't forget fresh toppings like crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and a generous amount of shredded cheese. Having everything ready makes the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get those fillings ready for action. Cook your protein until it's perfectly done and bursting with flavor. A good seasoning blend makes all the difference. If you're using beans or rice, gently warm them through so they're not cold in your burrito. Dice your tomatoes, shred your lettuce, and prepare any other fresh vegetables to ensure they are ready for easy layering. This step is crucial for a well-balanced and tasty burrito. It's time for the fun part. Assembling your masterpiece. First, warm your tortilla for about 15 seconds in a microwave or on a dry pan. This makes it much more flexible. Lay it flat and strategically layer your fillings down the center, leaving about 1.5 inches clear on the sides. Fold in the two opposite sides, then firmly roll the tortilla from the bottom up, tucking everything in tightly as you go. Congratulations, you've made a fantastic burrito. Serve it right away to enjoy the warmth and freshness of all your delicious ingredients. A side of zesty salsa, creamy guacamole, or cool sour cream can elevate your meal even further. This homemade burrito is perfect for a quick lunch or a satisfying dinner. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic e-reader and other great deals to enhance your reading experience. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.